when the world moves too fast and I lose myself in the chaos. I introduce myself to the color of nature. I reacquaint myself with the earth beneath my feet. Thank the air that surrounds me with every breath I take. The serene surrounding of woods are the perfect catalyst for developing a relationship with my soul. By observing nature, I learn to see things in the bigger picture. Just as a small creature lives in its own mini-universe, so too, we as humans are just one piece of an infinite puzzle. There is so much more to my existence that I'm unaware of, yet I find nature a healing journey. It's a place to find peace and wisdom. Spending quality time with nature helps me get back in touch with my primal self. The immense beauty that exists in nature is unmatched. I develop a love for the self, a love that won't diminish when faced with the internal and external challenges. The nature allows me to be more aware of life, death, and change. Open my eyes to what's real and what's futile. The serenity of the woods and fragrance of flowers allow me to appreciate life. I realize that nature is the greatest and most uplifting experience I always have.
I find myself in the appreciation of life.